This video will explore the function of dynamic inputs in AutoCAD. In previous videos, we drew this figure using absolute, relative, and polar coordinates, but we had the dynamic input turned off. In order to use the dynamic inputs, you first have to turn it on. You can turn it on by clicking on the dynamic input in the status bar or by pressing F12. Notice that F12 will toggle the dynamic input on and off. It's on when it's blue. If I wanted to draw this figure one more time, I could come into the line command, and it asks me for a first point. The default in this first point is going to be an absolute coordinate because it doesn't know that I know where my previous point was. So I'm just going to type in 1, 1 and press enter. Notice that as I typed, it automatically switched from the first field to the second field. The second time now, for the second point, it's asking me for the next point. And it looks just exactly like the absolute coordinate that we just put in. However, it's really looking for a relative coordinate. The relative coordinate from my first point is 4, 0. So if I type in 4, 0, you'll notice that as I hit the comma, it switches to the second value. When I type in 0 and press enter, it draws that value, or that line. If you look in the command line, notice that it added the @ sign there. To draw up here now, the absolute coordinate would be the relative coordinate would be at 0, 2, but all I have to do is type in 0 for the x value, 2 for the y value, and it draws in that line segment for me. Another option would be to use polar coordinates. If I go to the icon down here and right-click, choose Dynamic Input Settings, you'll see that I can enable dimension input in this polar coordinates if I wanted to. I'll choose OK. Notice now that, I'm going to undo that last segment so that it refigures it out here. Notice now that it's giving me an option to enter the distance and the direction. So I can say 2 and then tab to get me my angle, and the angle straight up would be 90 degrees. Press enter and it draws it in there. Okay, again going back this direction. Okay, I know that that's a distance of 4 units, so I'll type in 4, tab, and what I can do is, if I'm not sure about the angle, I could even stretch it out here. Notice that it's going to give me kind of a clue here so I can help myself to judge that angle. But I could say 180 degrees to type it in and be exactly right, and it draws that one in there. Now, one place to be careful is when you're drawing. Normally on polar coordinates, it does not give you a negative distance. But if I were to pull this line down this direction, even though it's not truly negative, it's kind of telling the computer negative. So normally this would be at 2 at an angle of 180. So if I type in 2 at an angle of tab, in this case not 180 but 270, what's going to happen is it's going to draw that line up instead of down. And the reason it did that is because I told it I wanted a positive distance, but I was going in a negative direction. It's just one of those quirky things with AutoCAD dynamic inputs. So I would undo this. If I wanted to use this input method, I would stretch it out in the positive direction, tell it the direction that I want to go to, tab, and then the direction I want to go, maybe negative 90, which is the same as 270, and now it would draw it down there. So just be aware that you can do that, but it's one of those little kind of quirky things that you have to get used to. Now, if I wanted to add an absolute coordinate rather than a relative or a polar coordinate, I could still do that. To add the absolute coordinate to get to this point, 5, 3, I would just do the pound sign or hashtag and then give it the absolute coordinate, 5, 3, enter. Okay. If I wanted to do a relative coordinate, even though it's in the polar mode, I could do that. I could just type in at, notice that it automatically switches it now to relative coordinates. I could say -4, 0. So it still works. It can just be a little bit quirky. I personally recommend to have the dynamic input turned off. I don't like it, but again, it's up to each individual as to how he or she would like to use the product. This concludes the video on dynamic input in AutoCAD.